friends, welcome to my YouTube class. I am your Hina ma'am and today we will discuss the generating function for Legendre polynomial. So let us start. Okay, so generating function is nothing but if we have a function or equation like 1 upon square root of 1 minus 2xt plus t square is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity pn of x into t raised to n, equation number 1. This is called the generating function for Legendre's polynomial Pn of x. So we will use here this particular equation to form the Legendre's polynomial Pn of x. So for that I will consider the function 1 upon square root of 1 minus 2xt plus t square, and that is equal to. So as we write the functions of the terms like 1 divided by square root of x is equal to 1 upon x to the power half, and after taking x to the power half to the numerator it will become x to the power minus half, isn't it? So here my x is what? X is 1 minus 2xt plus t square, and I will shift it to the numerator and I will get 1 minus 2xt plus t square to the power minus half. So again I have to use here binomial theorem. For that I will take t common from these two terms, and that is what my function is. My function is 1 minus 2xt plus t square to the power minus half, isn't it? Now, so to apply the binomial expansion I must need two terms. So for that I will take 1 as it is. I will take minus t as a common term from these two terms, and after taking minus t common I will get inside the bracket 2x minus t, and this power has minus half. Okay, so what is my binomial expansion? My binomial expansion is, I will write first for a plus b to the power n. So that is equal to nc0 a to the power n plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 into b square, and the other higher terms, my last term will be ncn b raised to n, isn't it? But यहाँ पे क्या है? What is my a? My a is 1, and what is my b? My b is t into 2x minus t, and what is my n? N is minus half. So I have to write this expression in the form of a minus b, isn't it? So my a minus b will be nc0 a raised to n minus, that is I will get alternatively positive and negative terms. Okay, so here what is my n value? My n is in the minus. So after multiplying with minus I will get all the terms in this particular expression as positive only. Like, consider here. So I will take this whole term, that is t into 2x minus t as u. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 minus u raised to minus half will be equal to 1 plus half into u plus half into half plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into u square. Because what is my NCR formula? My NCR formula is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So what will be my NC1 value? NC1 will be n factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. So I will write this term as n into n minus 1 into so on divided by n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. So my these two terms will get cancelled, and what will be? I have here only n, that is my nc1 value, that is equal to n. So after expanding I will get here, but what is my n? Half, that is minus half, but my expression contains minus, so those minus and minus will become plus half into u, plus after simplifying these terms I will get here 1 by 2 3 by 2 u square, 1 by 2 3 by 2 5 by 2 u cubes plus other higher terms. Okay, to consider I have taken this 1 upon 2 into u as 2 factorial divided by 1 factorial the square into 2 square into u. Why? Because I need my expression as simple as possible to substitute the values like in general values like n and r, isn't it? तो क्या हो जाएगा? Here I have, what is my value? That is, I have taken 1 upon 2 into u. In place of this I have taken 2 factorial into 1 factorial the square into 2 square into u. तो what is the value? 2 factorial 1 factorial the square into 2 square into u. Must be my value will be 1 upon 2 u. इतना मुझे मिलना चाहिए, isn't it? तो I need this particular result after simplification will be 1 by 2 into u. Okay, so let us simplify this. What is my 2 factorial? 2 factorial is 2 into 1, isn't it? And what is my 1 factorial? 1 factorial is 1, and 1 the power square is 1. And what is 2 square? It is 4, and u as it is. To consider this, 2 divided by 4 will be 1 divided by 2 into u, isn't it? So I got, in place of 1 by 2, I have written 2 factorial divided by 1 factorial the square, 2 square into u. Similarly, after simplifying this particular result, I will get again this. Similarly, after simplifying this, I will get this. So to calculate in the form of summation and to write the particular results like n and r, I have written this whole terms. And if we consider the summation or the series, consider here my second term contains 2 factorial, and my power of square in the denominator is square. Whenever I have 4 factorial, the power of 2 in the denominator is 4, isn't it? And whenever I have 1 factorial square, my u has the power 1. Whenever I have 2 factorial the square, my u has the power 2. Similarly, 6 factorial, 2 raised to 6, 3 factorial, u raised to 3, plus so on. So we can write one term in this particular series. One term because see, this is my infinite series, isn't it? ये तो मेरा finite नहीं है. This is my infinite series. तो I must get my one term in this particular infinite series is like this. So after comparing these values, whenever I have 2n minus 2r factorial, my 2 will have the power as 2n minus 2r. Similarly, whenever I have 2 factorial square, my u has the power 2. तो n minus r factorial का हो जाएगा u raised to n minus r plus the other higher terms. Okay, so now I will substitute in place of u. What is my u value? T into 2x minus t, isn't it? So simply simplify by putting in the place of u as t into 2x minus t. Okay, so we will get something like this. We will get the expression like this, and consider here I need to get the coefficient of t raised to n, isn't it? So coefficient of t raised to n will be my polynomial, that is Legendre's polynomial Pn of x I will get. तो यहाँ पे है मेरा t raised to n का power 2n factorial divided by n factorial the square 2 raised to 2n into 2x minus t to the power n, isn't it? Again, if I use the binomial expansion for this, what is that? 2x minus t to the power n है. तो इसके जगह पे अगर हमने again simplify किया by using the binomial theorem, I will get nc0 2x to the power n, and I have here the multiplication with t raised to n, isn't it? So t raised to n into 2x minus t to the power n will be nc0 with multiplication of t raised to n 2x to the power n minus, because my expansion is containing a minus b to the power n. So alternatively positive and negative values I will get. nc0 nc1 2x to the power n minus 1, and I will get here t and the other higher terms. तो consider मुझे क्या चाहिए? मुझे चाहिए t raised to n का power, isn't it? c इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होने के बाद आई विल गेट nc0 इज 1 2x to the power n into t raised to n minus nc1 is n and 2x to the power n minus 1 as it is. यहाँ पे t raised to n है, यहाँ पे t है, तो what will be t raised to n into t? It will be t raised to n plus 1. तो consider here I got here t raised to n plus 1. Similarly आगे के टर्म में मुझे क्या मिलेंगे? t raised to n का पावर तो नहीं मिलेगा, तो I must take this value 2x to the power n. Similarly मुझे क्या करना है? यहाँ पे भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, सिमिलरली द अदर टर्म्स. तो आई विल गेट हियर coefficient of t raised to n. After simplifying all the terms by using the binomial theorem, my coefficient of t raised to n is this particular result, that is 1 3 5 2n minus 1 divided 2 4 6 2n 2x to the power n minus 1 3 5 2n minus 1 divided by 2 4 6 2n minus 1 into 2x raised to n minus 2 and the other higher results. So I have written this particular result in the expansion, that is summation form. Summation r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the power n, because I have here alternatively negative and positive results. So whenever I have n is that is even number, I will get minus, and whenever n is odd number, I will get plus. That is whenever I have n is even number, I will get plus, and whenever I have n is odd number, I will get minus. So minus 1 to the power n, 2n minus 2r factorial divided by 2 raised to n r factorial, n minus r factorial, n minus 2r factorial into x raised to 2n minus n minus 2r, and I will call this particular expression as Pn of x. तो यहाँ पे what is my n value? n is n divided by 2 or n minus 1 divided by 2 according to my n is even or odd. अगर मेरा n even है तो I will have n by 2, and whenever n is odd I will have n minus 1 divided by 2. तो therefore my generating function will look like summation n is equal to 0 to infinity Pn of x t raised to n. I will write this as again in the original form, that is 1 upon square root of 1 minus 2xt plus t square is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity Pn of x t raised to n. So that is the generating function expansion. So we will use this result in the Legendre's polynomial, isn't it? So this is the generating function for Legendre's polynomials. So tomorrow we will discuss, based on this concept, we will find out the Legendre's polynomial of first kind and Legendre's polynomial of second kind. So for that I must need the knowledge of the wide knowledge of binomial expansion. If you have the knowledge of binomial expansion, so you can easily get the particular result of generating function, isn't it? So please go through the definition of binomial expansion, how to expand, what is the value of NCR, how we will get the value of NC1, NC2, NC3 and the other terms, and similarly what will be my expressions in the particular result. So if you concentrate on each and every concept of binomial theorem, then you will easily calculate the generating function, that is 1 upon square root of 1 minus 2xt plus t square, the value of this, and you have to have the particular generating function in the form of summation. तो उसके ऊपर भी आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. तो that is how we wrote the summation by using particular results. So this is all about today's class, and tomorrow we'll discuss the Legendre's polynomial of first kind. Okay, thank you.